Okay, it's 12:32. I'm currently taking part in the American Dream here. Eating a lot of complete shit in the middle of the night. What we've got here is some pate or some liverwurst. I know it looks absolutely disgusting, but for some reason I must eat it. Get this on my light flaky buttery club cracker from Keebler. Let's go and spread that on there. Oh, God. Now I'm eating these. There's salt and vinegar chips. My favorite pastimes. Okay, so yeah, this is all my reading for tonight. You know, I should have been doing it a little bit each day, but I just kind of didn't. Yeah, I think I'm gonna, be able to get all the way through it. It's all about 18th century England. Should take about 200 hours. Okay, so yeah, I finished with all this stuff about an hour ago. It's about 10 o'clock. But I forgot I had to read about 30 pages in this book here for another class. Right now I'm taking a little bit of a break and trying to make this soup. First I have to, wash out probably this bowl right here. I already put some soap in it. Probably gonna have to wash that out. And a spoon as well. As you can see, my sink is in disarray.